Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, third wave of COVID-19. So how do we have to stay safe from the third wave of COVID-19? We have so many questions running in our mind. When will this get end? When did it actually start? When will it get end? How did it start? Do we have any answer? No, not exactly. It just started like a week, okay, 2 or a month or 6 months. No, it's not getting end. It's more than a year. We have been working from home. What happened to our children's education? They're all learning from online classes. It is advancement, yes, but do you think it's healthy? No, not actually. Let's all make this a resolution today. We have to break this chain. I would like to share you some 8 reality tips that is possible to break this chain and follow it, which you would have not known before. Very simple tips. My first tip is, yes, we do all wear mask, but do we wear it properly? We go so many places. We even participate in some ceremonies or in marriages or even in birthday parties. Sometimes we remove it just to reveal our beauty of face, or just to be convenient, or just to be comfortable, but it might infect some other, or we might get infected. Please do follow it strictly, like how it has to be. Do follow it for your kids as well. Second tip, avoid going to crowd places. The main reason we choose to go to crowd places is to do shopping. We go to market just to get some products or some things with lesser price. Do you think our lives are lesser? It is priceless, my dear friends. Please avoid it. While going to shopping, we shop dresses, clothes, like we would like to try it out whether it fits us properly. But can you tell me that is it really so fresh piece? Like you, many of them would have tried it. You cannot assure it is hygienic. Better buy a fresh piece, wash it and wear it. My fourth tip, avoid using rails while climbing through the stairs. So we might use rails which are kept when we climb the stairs. Avoid touching it, because sometimes if a person who is infected would have touched the same place and you have kept the hand and you are not very precautious about touching your nose and face after touching it, so avoid it. My fifth tip is to stay safe even after vaccination. Please do get vaccinated if you're not yet, but don't think you're very safe. Even if you're vaccinated, we have to be safe and we have to be precautious. So be safe even if you're vaccinated. My sixth tip, in cafeterias and tea shops and restaurants, please do not use reusable cups. You can opt for use and throw cups. It's better option. During this pandemic, we cannot assure human can be very perfect, right? Somebody would have not cleaned the cups or something properly. It might happen, and it should not be a cause for you to get infected if the other person would have. So better avoid it. My seventh tip is avoid going out for shopping and for dine out. So always it is better option not to go out for having food. The food which we make at home is the healthiest one. We have control over all the ingredients. We make it so tasty in the way how we want. So homemade food are the best. Opt for it and avoid going to shopping. I know it is tempting, but please try home some different varieties of food. It is possible. My eighth tip is to follow all these measures and don't think you are very safely traveled. Please do come home and wash your hands properly. Keep your mask safe places. After sanitizing your hand, do wash your hand because sanitizers have some chemical ingredients which might be not good for your health. So once wash it with water. Let's all break this chain. Stay home as much as possible. I know it's not very easy, but we have to do this. We all have to come back to the same situations like how it was before. May our Almighty protect us all and help us all to come out of this pandemic. Let our life come out of this bounded situations. Let's all pray for this. And if we break this chain, we will definitely achieve not today COVID-19. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.